All right, I'm about to throw this 12-foot cast net in this little pond. I see fish jumping and splashing everywhere. We're probably about to catch a ton of fish. That was a terrible throw. Oh, we got a bunch. We got a bunch. We only got one, but it's a freaking giant. Oh my God, look at how big that tilapia is. That's freaking huge, dude. That's the biggest tilapia I've ever caught. Look at the mouth on him. Oh my God. Look how pretty he is. All right, we're gonna throw the net one more time. That was kind of a bad throw. We're gonna probably catch more the second time.